In this video, I'll show you how you can create an account in League of Legends. Now first you want to head over to leagueoflegends.com, and if it's in a weird language, just press up here and go to whatever language you want. Now I'm gonna go English on EUW, and then you're gonna press play for free. From in here you can download, and since I'm already logged in, I'll just log out and show you. Now, when you press play now up here, you can create a Riot account just by pressing create one, and you'll come here. From in here, you're gonna type in your email, your username, and the password that you want, and that's basically how you can make the account. Now keep in mind, this is a Riot one, so it will also work for Valorant and other Riot games. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.